Welcome to my crib. Come on in. I'm such a creep. This is my vacation home and I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. So right here we have the stairs. So right here we just have some paintings of, you know, Jamaica, the real wave on the roadside, host, woman and baby. And then when you come in, this is my room, me and my best friend behind the camera room. And this is our room. We have the twin size beds. We have the flat screen TV. So this is our balcony. So our balcony is very huge. We got a view of other townhomes as well as the sunrise. It's pretty nice. And we actually have a really long balcony. Love how pretty the colors are. They're like pink and blue and yellow and stuff. It's lit, it's lit. And of course, yeah, you got the beds and the flat screen TV. So let's go to the other room. From here, we have the bathroom. This is our bathroom. The sink right here and the mirrors. And then we have the shower, which is really nice and fancy. The shower head is so cool. And you can, you know, drop stuff. So, yeah. It's pretty lit, you know, fancy shower or whatever. And then this is a do not go in the closet lock up. And then we have this room. The second bedroom. Have the TV on the wall, a bedside table, and then this is the other view, which you get a better view of the sea, the ocean. Their balcony is way smaller, but you get a view. And then you have my sister-in-law down there working out. Kimmy, say hi. Yeah, there we go. So we're moving on to the next. We have the master bedroom with these little terrorists. These are my nieces. Say hi. Hi. This is Cassidy and this is Teresa. Come on in. So this is the master bedroom. It has more furniture, better furniture. It has 2 bedside tables, you know, dresser and all that stuff there. And this is their view. We have the full view of the sun setting. That's my nephew. So now we're gonna go to the master bathroom. So in here we have the closet. This is a walk-in closet, which is pretty cool. And I love how it has a full body mirror. It's fascinating. And then the best part is the master bathroom, which is the best part is they have a shower and a jacuzzi. So this jacuzzi can fit like 5 people because we're not all that fancy. And And then we have the his and hers sink over there with their own mirror, etc, etc. So now we're going back downstairs. So here we have the downstairs bathroom. This is what it looks like. It just has a sink and a toilet. Now we're gonna go to the living room. So this is the living room area. Right now we have Daddy back over there, Mommy back over there, and Philip back over there. Okay, Daddy Mac. Here we have the dining room area, and then the kitchen. There's a little island right here. And an island in the island table. We have the bar section, and we have those some recliners.
Why have I sit in that one?
We have some recliners by the bar section. And you can put your beer and you can charge your phone and everything. So, moving on. We have, I don't want to call it a maid's quarters.
It's like a wash house.
This is the back porch again. Meet sister-in-law Kim. This is Kimmy Mac. And this is Logie. This is Logan Mac. Logan, say hi.
Oh.
So yeah, we have seats over here and there and umbrella because as you know the sun out is a shine down here. We have the grill. Yard space so the kids can play.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up.
So that is it for the villa house tour. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As well, don't forget to stay positive and let life surprise you because it will anyways. So yeah, bye guys.